Amazon Prime Video discount codes and offers. Amazon no longer supports the use of promo codes for Prime memberships, but there are still several ways to save on Prime Video through official discounts and promotions. These include student discounts, bundled offers, and limited time promotional deals. First, student discounts. Amazon offers a Prime student program, which includes a 6-month free trial of Amazon Prime, 50% off the regular Prime membership after the trial. This reduces the monthly cost to $7.49 for eligible students. Proof of enrollment in a higher education institution is required to qualify. Second, youth discounts. In some regions, Amazon provides discounted Prime memberships for young adults aged 18 to 22. This typically includes a 6-month free trial followed by a 50% discount on the regular price. To qualify, users must verify their age during sign-up. Third, promotional bundles. Amazon occasionally offers discounted bundles that include Prime Video along with additional streaming services. Some recent promotions have offered savings on Max, Starz, and Showtime when subscribed through Prime Video channels. These deals are time-limited and vary based on availability. Fourth, third-party offers. While some third-party websites claim to offer discount codes for Prime Video, their legitimacy is often uncertain. Many of these codes may be expired or unverified, so users should exercise caution and rely on official Amazon promotions instead. Conclusion: although Amazon no longer provides promo codes for Prime memberships, students and young adults can still enjoy significant discounts. Additionally, keeping an eye on promotional bundles can help users save on streaming costs. Always check for official Amazon deals rather than relying on third-party coupon sites.